This screencast covers the grading shorthand. After you receive your essay, you'll see a bunch of letters and symbols, and you have to look at this file in order to make a determination about what those symbols mean. As we're looking at this particular reading, notice that right here we see an RT and an A. See a number sign, NEFP. What that means is at that point, as the reader, at this point, because that symbol is there, and right here we see A, that means that at this point, the student is making an assumption. And when you go back here, assumption, no clear evidence, and the other one was an RT, has no relation to thesis. So as the reader, this is what I'm thinking at that moment when I'm reading your paper. NEFP needs evidence for this claim. Reproductive health is not a main concern. Instead, equal opportunity rights was their concern. How do we know that? Here are the students writing concern. I need to see evidence. FP. Let me see what FP is. That looks like a P. I don't know. I gotta see now. FP. Finish your point. So what that means here is the student needed to finish their point. They were going somewhere with this as I was reading, yet they just kind of let the issue drop. And equal opportunity and rights was their main concern. And I'm thinking, okay, well, what does that mean? Stemming from the introduction of certain enactments like the Civil Rights Act, what I mean here is that I would like to have seen more information about the claims that they're making here. So finish the point, you need an example. That's how you use the deductions sheet.